Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be jumping back with Matplotlib, and we're going to be learning about how to put a super title, because when you're messing with multiple figures, charts, graphs, whichever term suits you best, because last time we created a figure that had multiple plots in it, and we then learned how to title each of those. But that is okay, good, you can see that, but that doesn't really tell the whole story. So there is a need, and then guess what, a feature, and it is very, very cut and dry and very handy. And let me make sure that I am about to, spell this right. Okay, I didn't think it was super, but it's shortened. Title. Oh my goodness. There we go. And guess what? You give it a string. Super title. And close this out. And it is that simple. And then let's see where it goes in our figure. Right above it. And I don't think I need to move that. Nope, you can see this. So very, very, very handy tool, because then you don't have to worry about putting annotation and figuring out where to put it and placing the text in the graph. Matplotlib has done this for us. So very, very awesome, very nice feature. And as you can see, we're slow walking this, but that's what we do here. We do one subject at a time, so these are all searchable. You guys are awesome. Real quick video today, but thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that watermark down below and the notification bell. Have videos coming out all the time. This type of video you like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me, and please leave any comments, questions, or my all-time favorite, any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.